Okay, so if you're searching for something, and especially an image, there are some different things that you can do to narrow down your search and to make sure that you're not going to be violating copyright law. So the first thing is, once you get into Google and you Google something like, for example, rocket, you want to click on the Images tab. Then the next thing you want to click on down here is Tools. When you click on Tools, it has all these different options. So, for example, you can choose sizes. Like if you want only large images, you can click on that. You can pick color. So it just has some basic colors, or you can pick a color image with a transparent background, or black and white, or full color. That'll take out any solid color objects or black and white objects. If you want an orange rocket, there you go. It picks only orange pictures, or a blue one, right, or a white one. So, but let's go back to full color. And then usage rights. This is the really the most important one that we're going to be talking about today, is usage rights. Right now it's not filtered. So we want to filter it to be labeled for non-commercial reuse. In other words, you can reuse it if you're not going to sell it. If you were going to sell it, then you want it labeled for reuse, or reuse with modification. So let's just go ahead and click on that. And now you notice on each one of these images, underneath it tells you where it came from. And as we talked about in class, anything that's from the government, like a .gov or .mil site, those are pictures that are definitely going to be free to use, because anything that the government creates in the realm of a photograph or an image is in the public domain. You can also click on type, like a photo, right? Or you could choose clip art, right? Or a line drawing, line art, which there isn't any. So, because we have it on full color. So if we change this to black and white, notice you're going to get a lot more line drawings, okay? So, now notice here, one of the things I want you to be wary of and avoid is using images from Wikipedia or Wikimedia, because you don't know where they got those images from. So make sure you check your source, okay? So let's go back and change this back to photo, and we're going to change it back to full color, okay? And I'm looking through here, and I'm going to look for one that's a .gov or a .mil. So, but one that I like. So let's check. I'm just going to use this one right here. This one is a .gov, NASA.gov. Okay. The other thing that you can change under some of these tools is show sizes, right? And it's going to put the size of the image underneath in pixels. That can be really useful. And you can even have it change the date range from past hour to past year, and several different ones in between. Okay, so this allows you to pick the picture that you really want. So I'm going to click on the photo. It takes me to the website so that I actually know it is a .gov photo, right? And I can come over here and I can add this to my Google collection, right? Or I can share it out. I can visit the website. It gives me lots of different choices. Under share, I can email it, or I can copy the link, right? And then I can come over here in a new tab, paste, and go to that link, right? And I can right click on the photo. Whoops, it's not what I wanted to do. Right click on the photo, and I can copy the image. and I'll make a copy to my computer. Alright, so this is how to use your Google search to make sure that you're not violating copyright and to get the right size picture for your project.